So let's have a look at problem 12.1 now. So let's recall that the norm of a matrix M is nothing but the maximum over all non-zero inputs, the norm of output divided by the norm of input. Now this just means that the output norm has to be less than or equal to the matrix norm times the input norm for any input. Now we will use this to show the result. So now let's consider for A input Bx and output ABx. So we have from 1 norm of ABx is less than norm of A times norm of Bx for any input Bx. Now we use the same trick here to have norm of A as it is, and this norm is less than norm of B times norm of X for any X. Now for X not equal to 0, we can divide both sides by norm of X to obtain norm of ABX divided by norm of X equal to is less than or equal to norm of A times norm of B. Now note that the right hand side is independent of X, so we can take the maximum on the left hand side provided that X is not 0. So we also have that maximum over X not equal to 0, norm of ABX over norm of X has to be less than norm of A times norm of B. But on the left hand side, this is nothing but the definition of norm AB. And therefore we have the result. Thanks a lot.